Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. In today's video, I'll be cooking morel mushrooms. Have you tasted morel mushrooms? In addition to its mushroom flavor, morels also have a rich, earthy, and nutty taste. They have a honeycomb appearance, and the inside is hollow. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down in the description. To prepare the morels, clean them with cold water. Because I'm using dried morels, I follow the instructions on the packaging and soak them in warm water for half an hour. Don't throw away the water, we will use it to make a gravy later. The basic methods for cooking morels are to add them in soup or sauté them with butter. The most delicious way of cooking morels that I have found is to stuff them with a little bit of meat and steam them. Season the meat lightly, and then stuff morels with the filling. The juicy meat filling will make the morels extra delicious. Imagine you're eating your favorite dumplings with a mushroom wrapper. Bring the water to a rolling boil and steam the morels for about 10 minutes. Sauté the morel stems with garlic and dried chilies for about 3 to 4 minutes, using medium heat. After the morels are done steaming, let's make the gravy. Add about 4 ounces of the mushroom water and a pinch of salt. Don't forget to add the morel juice from the steamer. Add 1 tablespoon starch water to thicken the liquid. Keep stirring until you get the gravy consistency as you like. Boil some noodles and we're ready to eat. If you don't know what morel mushrooms taste like, think of them like shiitake mushrooms, which might be easier to find in stores. Their flavors are somewhat comparable. The morel mushrooms have a more earthy and nutty flavor, and that makes it taste richer and more mellow than shiitake mushrooms. They are less fragrant than shiitake mushrooms when you make them into a soup. That is why I like the steaming method, because it naturally reserves the mushroom juice, as well as its bouncy and meaty texture. And my favorite part is you can wrap them like mushroom dumplings. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!